Sophie, girls I've met don't give me foreplay.
What? That's so unfair, Ethan.
They just lie there, expect me to work. I need stimulation to stay hard.
I love making my guy moan.
Most girls just grab and go. Kissing's like 2 minutes, then nothing.
Hearing him groan is a turn on.
I want mutual touching, some teasing.
You're so right, guys deserve it.
Hottest girl, 0 effort, total letdown.
Any guy's lucky to have effort.
Plot twist, met someone who gets it.
No way. She's into foreplay?
Teased me, I was begging.
That's the dream, passionate connection.
Now I'm spoiled, love foreplay.
She sounds amazing, keep her.
What's your favorite foreplay move? Share your tips in comments. Like, subscribe for more sex talk.